Increase the volume thing.
Yep, it's a pretty dope spring. Anyways, I'm back here on the channel. It is AKAJK, the real one, the one and only. You know, man's not hot. Anyways, I'm back pumping videos again. Now I'm going to be discussing why the hell I've been on for such a long period of time. That comes a bit later on. But anyways, we're gonna roll in the intro just in a moment because we're gonna be covering the top 5 wireless earphones that you can buy in the market 2019. Let's roll that intro. Hey, it's AKAJK. Welcome back to another episode of the JK Tech Show here on the channel. And today we're back from a super long sort of break and everything like that. Now let me explain quickly while I mess around with these playing cards in my hand. Now, for let's say honestly the past 2 months, or more than that, let's say past 3 months, I haven't really been making videos. There's been a few kind of up here and there. Like in the past few months I've only made a few videos. Now, the thing about this whole year, I haven't been consistent whatsoever. I've tried, so basically what happens is I batch record on the weekend and the week starts and I've made 2 videos and then I give up and I keep doing the same idea every week. Anyways, I know that I'm going off topic, but anyways, what I wanted to say is then we had Ramadan where I had to fast for 30 days, 18 hours each day, no food, no drink. So I was out of energy, then we had exams. Basically, I'm just giving you a lot of excuses. Overall, we were on a break.
We were on a break!
And that's why I wasn't making videos. Now, what I want to do is I want to get back into the daily grind and routine, and I think my card spring noises are annoying you. But yeah, I have been doing a lot of magic lately. And the playing cards that I'm using right now in my hand are the Red Knights. Collaboration with Daniel Madison and Chris Ramsey. They are an illusionist deck of cards and USB-C definitely. They got some pretty cool features. They look amazing. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I'm trying to practice my card fan, but I'm pretty trash at it. You know, the thumb fan. Yeah, anyway. Let's get into this. It's a collaboration with Dintalks. Great YouTuber. Let's jump in.
Thank you, Ali Karim, for having us today. Let's go straight to the list. Number 1, Jaybird X4. The new Jaybird X4 earbuds bring high-quality audio and comfort to everyone, from casual music lovers to not-so-casual triathlon participants. With an IPX7 rating, the device is fully waterproof and able to handle the same weather conditions that you can. 8 hours of battery life allow you to take it on the road, trail, or slopes without worrying about it running out of energy. The buds can get an hour of charge in just 15 minutes, so they won't totally slow you down if you run out of juice. Number 2, Apple AirPods. The AirPods are driven by a custom-designed Apple W1 chip and have brilliant software integration. Right when you take them out of the box for the first time, a pop-up appears on your phone asking if you want to sync them. On top of that, Siri plays a main role in managing your controls. They produce solid sound and have a superb dual mic setup with powerful noise cancellation technology. The battery lasts for about 5 hours and they charge up quickly when in their case. Just 15 minutes of charging gives you 3 hours of listening time. Number 3, Bose SoundSport. Good sound is important, but perhaps even more crucial is the fit, because no one wants to be fiddling with their earbuds in the middle of a workout. The sweat-proof Bose SoundSport wireless headphones, which come in 3 sizes, have Stay Here Plus ear tips with soft silicone fins for the loose yet secure fit. Note that the looser fit will allow ambient sound to sneak in, but that's okay for runners and bikers who need to be aware of their surroundings. As for the sound, you'll get solid performance with decent bass and pretty decent mid-range, and the battery life is rated around 6 hours. 4, Senso Bluetooth headphones. When buying budget headphones, you'll undoubtedly have to make some sacrifices. But when it comes to the best value headphones, everything you want should be packaged up for the best price possible. That's exactly what you get with Senso earbuds. The headphones are solidly built and simply designed, but still comfortable to wear, and they certainly don't skimp on sound quality. With a frequency response of 20 to 22 kilohertz, the earbuds deliver true hi-fi sound, complete with clear treble and booming bass. You'll get a solid 8 hours of battery life to last you a full day of listening, whether you're commuting, exercising, or just rocking out. Number 5. Anker Soundbuds Slim Plus. This earbud has a hooked design that sits above your ear, guaranteeing a more secure and comfortable fit. They come with a variety of sizes and shapes for almost every ear. The rubber material also means they are water resistant, IPX5. They are light enough to forget you're wearing. Inside are 6mm drivers that deliver solid bass. As with any budget item, there are downsides. For the soundbuds, it's the fact that the battery only lasts about 7 hours. For commuters and athletes, that might not be a problem. But if you're a marathon music listener, you might want to think twice. Back to you.
Oh, okay, you're back. What do you think of the video? I think it was great. If you do enjoy the content that Dintalks brought onto the channel, then make sure you head onto his channel and just show him some love. Go ahead and subscribe. Like all of his videos. We have a short collaboration video on his channel about camera tips and things like that, but there will be another big one coming pretty soon. So make sure to smash that like button on this video and check out his channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crispy content like this one. And the next episode you'll be kind of seeing more of me, and that's just going to be me. But anyways, make sure to turn on post notifications so you're notified whenever I post another YouTube video on the channel. And I'm hoping you kind of like this new setup and the clothing and the posters and everything. As always, there will be links to everything in the description down below, including the cards and all the earphones and everything like that. Make sure to go check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much about it for this episode of the JK Tech Show. And hopefully I'll catch you tomorrow, because here at AKAJK, the grind is daily.